Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of Australia's most historic and collectible coins, the 50 cents coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. And although many people connect the dates 1939 to 1945 with World War II, it is important to understand that Australia did not issue a 50 cents coin during those war years. The Australian 50 cents coin was first introduced in 1966 when Australia changed the decimal currency, and it featured the portrait of Elizabeth II on the obverse. Before 1966, during the years 1939 to 1945, Australia used pre-decimal currency, such as a florin, shilling, sixpence, and penny, and those coins carried the portrait of King George VI, not Queen Elizabeth II. The 50 cents coin introduced in 1966 became one of the most famous coins in Australian history because it was struck in 80% silver. This round silver coin was heavy, containing approximately 0.3416 troy ounces of pure silver, which gives it strong intrinsic value even today. Due to rising silver prices, the Royal Australian Mint stopped producing the silver version after 1966 and replaced it in 1969 with the smaller 12-sided copper-nickel 50 cents coin that Australians still use today. The 12-sided design features the Australian coat of arms with a kangaroo and emu, making it instantly recognizable. When we talk about market value in today's market, a 1966 round silver 50 cents coin in good condition usually sells for its silver value plus a small collector premium. Depending on current silver prices, this coin typically ranges between $12 to $18, and sometimes even higher if silver prices increase. If the coin is in uncirculated or near mint condition, collectors may pay $20 to $30 or more. Special proof versions can command significantly higher prices. The later copper-nickel 12-sided 50 cents coins generally have face value, unless they are rare varieties, low mintage years, or in brilliant uncirculated condition. However, the 1966 silver version remains the most valuable standard circulation issue because of its silver content. For collectors, condition is everything. A coin in good condition will show light where but clear details in the Queen's portrait and the coat of arms. Always check for scratches, cleaning marks, or damage, as these factors reduce value. It is also wise to store silver coins in protective holders to prevent tarnishing and preserve their market price. The Australian 50 cents coin represents an important moment in Australia's monetary history, marking the shift to decimal currency and honoring Queen Elizabeth II, whose portrait appeared on Australian coin for decades. Its combination of history, silver content, and national symbolism makes it a favorite among collectors around the world. If you have a 1966 round silver Australian 50 cents coin in good condition, you could easily have a small piece of silver treasure worth several times its face value in today's market. Always check current silver prices and consult recent sales for the most accurate valuation. Thanks for watching.